What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Bored by Billie Eilish on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have the timestamps for each section down below, so if you want to skip ahead, if you know the chords that we're going to use, which are A minor, B minor, C, E minor, and G. So if you already know those chords and you want to skip ahead, make sure to check the description below for the timestamps for each section if you want to go to the strumming or the mini play along. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know those chords, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please teach me. Don't worry, we're going to go through that coming right up. So if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. All right, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see it and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's going to look like this. And it should sound like this. All right, so the next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, so it should look like this. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 4th fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. Let's go ahead and talk about where we need to put our fingers. So the first finger that we need to place is our pointer finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. All right, so those were all the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. All right, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I'm not interested in learning strumming right now. I literally just picked up the uke yesterday, an hour ago. Please don't add any strumming. I love this song. I'm getting through the chords. I do not want to learn strumming just yet. I got you. So the first way that we're going to play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb all 4 strings, and as soon as you see a new chord change, you're going to strum down again. So again, you're just going to strum down for every chord, and then it'll sound absolutely amazing. So let's do the verse for this song, which is giving you what you're begging for, give me what you say I need. I don't want to settle scores, I just want you to set me free. So you're going to strum down whenever you see a new chord change. Give me what you say I need. And you're just gonna strum down and it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so the second way we can play this song is actually going to be how I played it in the full ukulele play along video. That link will be down below for that video. Again, that video consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, so it's a super easy play along for you after you watch this tutorial video and learn the strumming and the chords and all that good stuff. So again, that will be linked down below, so make sure to go check out that video. It's live right now. But let's talk about the strumming pattern. There's actually going to be 2 strumming patterns in this song. They're actually super simple. So let's go ahead and break that down. So in the beginning of the song, it's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So again, let's do that again in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, 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 down, up. So it's literally going to sound like this. The games you play were never fun. You'd say you'd stay, but then you'd run. So again, that strumming pattern is a down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then new chord. So now we're gonna get into the verse of it, and the verse is just going to get a 2 down strums, down, down. So again, it's just gonna be a down, down. So majority of the song is gonna get that, but other than when you hear na 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 na, so that kind of melody is gonna get the actual strumming pattern of the down, down, up, 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 down, up. But in the verse, giving you what you're begging for, giving you what you say I need. I don't want to settle scores, I just want you to set me free. So literally you can just do a down strum if you want, or you can do the down, down, and then go to the next chord, which is a down, down, next chord, down, down, next chord, down, down. And again, in the beginning of the song, it's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So you're gonna sort of mix those 2 in, but again, in the full play along video, that will be linked down below. In the corner, it says exactly what strumming pattern you need to do for that section. So it's again, a super easy play along. Highly recommend to go check out that video. Again, that video is live right now, so make sure you go check it out. But those are the 2 different ways you can play this song. Again, make sure to choose what is most comfortable for you, but I highly recommend if you just started playing a few months ago, start including strumming patterns and kind of push yourself, because that's how you're gonna get better at strumming, and strumming, it sounds absolutely amazing. All right, so now that we know the chords and the strumming pattern, let's go ahead and see how everything gets packaged together in the mini play along section. Again, the full play along video is linked down below, but let's go ahead and see how it sounds. In 3, 2, 1. The games you play were never fun. You'd say you'd stay, but then you'd run. Giving you what you're begging for, giving you what you say I need. I don't want to settle scores, I just want to set me free. Giving you what you're begging for, giving you what you say I need. You say I need. All right, so we learned the chords, the different ways you can play this song, and we did a mini play along in this video. Congratulations, you now know how to play Bored by Billie Eilish on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke you are playing? Well, I'm so glad you asked. This is literally my baby. I designed this ukulele. It is my custom ukulele, my signature uke with Leolani. It's a concert size. It has my initials on the 12th fret, so you know it is mine, RS. I literally got to design this entire uke. Link for this will be down below. I highly recommend. We have 2 versions, which is sort of the semi-glossy version, which is this one, and then we have a super duper duper glossy version, which is my signature uke V2 second edition. Make sure you go cop it if you do want to go get it. It literally sold out when we first launched it last year, so we just did a restock of it and added the new super glossy version because you guys asked for it. So again, links for that will be down below. Also, if you do shop on their website and if you do get my uke or any of their ukes, use code Ricky10 at checkout and you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. So make sure to save some money while you buy maybe your friend a Christmas present. You treat yourself, buy your mom a uke, literally buy your dog a uke if you want to. I don't know if they would be able to play it because I don't think they have thumbs. Well, they don't have thumbs, but they can look at it, I guess. But anyways, if you do want to go get that, link for that will be down below. And also links for my merch is down below, and also all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And most importantly, leave your comments down below of your song requests and recommendations. I always love going through them, listening to them, and who knows, maybe the next video might be your song. So make sure to leave that down below. Anyways, that is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.